A land of magnificent architecture, Madhya Pradesh has a magnitude of marvels located across the state that play a significant role in enhancing the beauty of this lush region. One such architectural marvel is Jahaz Mahal that mesmerizes its visitors with its unique shape. Built on a narrow strip of land between Munj Talab and Kapoor Talab with the appearance of an anchored ship, Jahaz Mahal, or a palace that looks like a ship, was built by Sultan Ghiyasuddin Khilji as a harem, and it extends over a length of 110 meter and a width of 15 meter, with an amalgam of Afghan, Mughal, Hindu and Mesopotamian architectural style. Jahaz Mahal is one of the most famous monuments and has redefined tourism in Mandav. Being surrounded by water that reflects the palace, it resembles a floating architecture, hence the name Jahaz Mahal. The history of Jahaz Mahal is entwined with the history of Mandav. This is where 15,000 royal women resided. The harem was constructed in such a manner that it gave the women complete autonomy yet shielded them from the eyes of the common man. The women enjoyed a life filled with luxuries and pleasures. The main entrance is situated on the eastern side of the palace, and on each side of the entrance stands 6 arched openings, with a cornice supported by stone bracket. There are 3 large halls on the ground floor which are connected by corridors with narrow rooms at either end. The room at the southern end has a water channel believed to have supplied water to a beautifully designed cistern beyond the northern room. The rear end of each of the halls opens into pavilions that overlook the Munj Talab. They are believed to have been built for the women folk in the king's harem, who remained hidden from public view by the curtains that hung from the arches of the pavilion. Apart from the enthralling architecture, Jahaz Mahal is also an important venue for the vibrant colors of the Mandav festival, with a series of adventure activities, music shows, lights, and balloon festivals that happen every year in the winter season. The city of Mandav shines like a pearl that needs to be experienced by every enthusiast of Madhya Pradesh. Along with a colorful festival, the sound and light show at the Jahaz Mahal is another mesmerizing event that holds the eyes of every visitor. As a traveler in Madhya Pradesh, it is always recommended not to miss the light and sound shows at the historical monument. Among the numerous architectures, Jahaz Mahal, Mandav provides the most extravagant experience showcasing the history and its associated monument. Being home to some exquisite examples of Mughal architecture, this light and sound show takes you to the medieval era. Mandav is well connected to most of the neighboring cities. Nar in the north is almost 40 km away, Indore 95 km in the northeast, and Maheshwar is 65 km away. Bus facilities are a major transportation service used in this area. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.